In this video, I'm going to explain how to use LedBuild software and Madrix to record the effects, then use with H807SA controller. So first you go on the LedBuild software. This is the LedBuild software interface. So you click on settings. So the first thing is to do the mapping. So the first you go on settings couple here. So on this settings couple, you can choose the length or the width of your pixel you are using. So you click new, and here you can choose which number you want to use. So I want to go with 100 by 100 height and width. Then this is 100 by 100 by width. Then you drag it to mark all the lines. So you drag it, then you have this box with different colors. And the next thing is to save this mapping. So first you click on file. You click on file, then you go down to save. Then you can save to any folder which you want, or let me just put it on desktop. Then create any name which you need. Just create one, then save. And the next thing, you click on file again, and to save as output MPV, output MPX file DVI. Then you click there, and you go to mod. So I'm going to go to the first option again. I'm going to save on the desktop. Save on the desktop. Write the name which you want. Just go with TY. So done with the first step. So then you close the software, or just close the software. The next thing is to go on Madrix software. I'm going to use Madrix 5. In this case, you can use any Madrix version which you have. Just be here in a few seconds. The Madrix is going to open. In the Madrix software, the first thing is to go and choose the effects which you want. So to choose the effects, you come on SCE color and you choose which effect you want to record. So let me go with this one, the first effect I want. And the second effect, I want to go with the wave. And the fourth effect, I want to go with plasma. The fourth one, I want to go with the snake. In this case, I'm going to record only 4 files. So after recording the files, so the next thing is to go on preference again and click on patch editor. Patch editor is going to take us on this page where you need to put your mapping here, do the mapping also on Madrix. So first, let's have the new file here, the new file. So first we delete which is already there. You click yes, and you need to import the file which we save as TY, the file which we save as MPX. So you click open and import the same file. This is the file. Then this is the file here. We have the file which we imported. And now we need to mark everything, Control A. So we are done, and we use our Madrix. We go on the scalpel again, and now we need to record the effects. After I close the LedBuild software, it's going to give you this page. We want to record as a batch record. So we click on batch record, and we get this interface. So on this interface, the height 100 and the width 100. So we don't need to change anything. And here, record type, you need to choose the fixed time. So we are going to work with 100 seconds. On the part, you choose how many effects you want to record. So I'm going to record 4 effects here. I'm going to record 4 effects, then you click 4 here. So there's another option. Also, there's another thing which you also need to make sure that you pay attention to it. On preview, you need to click on preview and make sure the first external preview is DVI and the second external is also DVI. So let me go. So after that, you click on start recording the effects, the last thing is to choose the folder which you want to save your effects. So let me save on desktop, which is easier to find. So then you click start recording. So if I start recording, it's starting from 1 up to 4. So you can see, even you can see now it's recording. You can see on the screen it's recording. Now we're on the third. So we complete recording our effects. Then we close this page. The file which are recorded were in the video format. So we need to convert the video format to DTA file so you can play them in the H807 controller. You need to import those video files. So you come here on import video file. You can see these are the 4 effects which are recorded. So now they're in video format. I want to convert them to DAT file. So copy the 4 files. Files, it depends on the files you have. You click open. So this is the file we have here. So the next thing is to export this file. We have DAT file, so we click export, and now we're exporting the 4 files. Output finish. So now we have 4 DTA files. These are the DTA files. So these are the DTA files. You can see DTA files. So you copy these files to the SD card, and now you can insert in the H807 controller and play the effects offline. That's all about using Madrix and LedBuild to create the effects.